Hi friends, in this video, I'm going to explain you 5 secret steps on how to make your own explainer videos in just 3 hours, which can grab your customers' attention. The biggest myth with every aspiring video creators is animation videos can only be done by video professionals since it needs more creativity, expensive tools, and high technical knowledge. Hence, they hesitate even to try making these kind of animation videos. In turn, they spend more than 10 to 60,000 rupees every month with professionals to make these kind of animation videos. Once you learn these 5 secret steps on how to make your own animation explainer videos, you will build confidence and feel easy so that you too can make your own explainer videos with ease and save lakhs of rupees every year. The 5 secret steps are: 1. Create an impressive script using our preset script templates. 2. Make an awesome video voice recording using our Robotic Voice-Over Tool. 3. Create an animated video just by drag and drop with our new animation video making tools. 4. Add images, logos, text, and emojis for your call to action. Finally, 5. Add background music to add life to your videos. Hi, I am RS Mani, a video expert who trains and helps business owners, marketing professionals, multi-level marketers, trainers, and coaches to make their own animated explainer videos which grab their customers' attention. If you're interested to join my 2 days live workshop on RS Mani's video making mastery, please click on the link below and register for this live event. Join, learn, create awesome explainer videos which can grab your customers' attention. Click below link to register or WhatsApp your name, business, location to 98402 98421. A good news, you get a free animation video making tool and robotic voice-over tool absolutely free. Meet you soon live to make your best impressive animated explainer videos soon.